Hey guys, Daniel here. Welcome to the daily vlog in Spokane. Awesome here. So, today we're just going to be, I don't know what we're going to be doing today. I think I'm just going to, show you my new dog. Well, she's not really new, but for you guys she is. Her name is Daisy. So, today I think I'm going to be trying to summon a demon. Who knows? I'm not that type of, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not like gothic or anything, but hey Dad, where's Daisy?
She's sleeping behind the chair.
Okay. Hi. Hiya. So this is my dog. Sorry, let's see if you can see her better. I'm sorry, Dave, for waiting. There she is. She's pretty big, if you ask me. There she is.
I think in the 200, if you have the strength to be able to stay close enough to come back.
That's her. So, yeah. Actually, no, I'm not. Okay, so we are outside, and currently, it was a little crappy, but it got better. So, yeah. Well, I guess. I don't know. So, yeah. Hello, Days. Hello. I see you've awakened from your spell. Yes. Hello. That's her. Goodies. Come here. No barking. No. Daisy. And this is what I have to deal with every day. Daisy, come here. Hey. No barking. No barking. Why are you barking? No barking. So, yeah. Oh, yes. Come on, Daisy. Come on. Daisy, come on. Come here. Good girl. No barking. So, yeah. What are you looking at me at? For? Okay, so, yep. So, I'm kind of like, okay, so, today I got the new book called Binge by Tyler Oakley. I also got Miranda Sings' books, Joey Graceffa's books, Shane Dawson's book, Phil's books, all the YouTubers, basically. And I'm reading some of them. Like, right now I'm starting on Joey's. I've already finished Miranda, because it's kind of like a picture album. And, so I'm reading Joey's. So, I'm not giving any spoiler alerts, if that's what you're thinking. Hey, can you smile for the camera? Smile for the camera. Yeah, that's her, basically. Sorry if you guys can't see her, but, yeah. Is that you? Is that you, Dish? Is that you? That's you, alright. Okay. Look at that butt. I know, Days. Look at me. Oh, I stepped on a toy. Daisy. Hello. Sorry if you guys couldn't see your face. Sorry if you guys couldn't see your face, but watch this. That's her toy. You have other toys. Go play with them. So Dad and I just finished playing soccer, and it was awesome because he had locked me. Then Daisy came on, and he tried. What the? I'm going back inside. Dude, that was awesome. I know, Days, that was weird. He's scared. That was scary. Okay, I'm gonna go back outside. That sounded like a missile or like a firework. So anyway, like what I was saying, I was playing soccer with my dad and it was awesome because he had locked me to the ground and Daisy came and trampled over me. It was pretty cool. So I was in Skyhawks Academy. So yeah. It's pretty cool, Skyhawks. What do you want, Days? Skyhawks Academy is academy for soccer, so I coach Crazy, Coach Star, and Coach Hula. Shout out to you guys. Hello. So, yep. So I guess I'm going to have to see you later, guys. Bye. Go check out my other videos, like and subscribe. See ya. Bye.